Once upon a time, a lean and starving wolf happened upon a well-fed dog. The dog looked content and healthy, lounging near a cozy fire with a full belly. The wolf, intrigued, approached the dog and asked him how he managed to live so comfortably.
The dog explained that he belonged to a kind master who provided him with plenty of food and shelter. He didn't have to hunt for his food or fend for himself in the harsh wilderness. Upon hearing this, the wolf felt a pang of jealousy. He longed for such a life of ease and abundance. He asked the dog if he could join him and share in his good fortune. The dog warned the wolf that his life came with a price. He had to obey his master's commands, wear a collar, and give up his freedom to roam as he pleased. However, the wolf was undeterred and insisted that he would gladly accept these conditions in exchange for a full belly and warmth. And so, the wolf decided to leave behind his life in the wild and become a domesticated pet. But as time passed, he soon realized that the price of comfort was indeed his freedom. Despite the food and shelter, he couldn't shake the longing for the wild and the thrill of the hunt. In the end, the wolf regretted his decision, realizing that true freedom was worth more than any material comfort.